Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another video on exercise 3.5 of linear equations in one variable. So before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. Okay, so here in the exercise what you have to study is solve the following linear equation. So here the linear equations are given and you have to find the value of x here. Okay, so the first question is given as x by 2 minus 1 by 5, which is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So what we will do, we will relate x term to the one side. Okay, so here x by 2, we will take this as the side, so it will become minus x by 3, which is equals to 1 by 4 will be as it is, and we will bring this minus 1 by 5 to this side, it will become plus 1 by 5. Now you can see here we will multiply this terms, 2 3s are 6 and even the cross multiply. So 3 into x is 3x minus 2 into x is 2x, which is equals to, similarly we will do here 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20 and cross multiply this here. So 5 1s are 5 plus 4 1s are 4. So here we will get 3x minus 2x is x by 6, which is equals to 5 plus 4 is 9 by 20. Okay, now what we have to do is we will bring this 6 to this side. So it is in the denominator part, that is divided by, when we bring to this side it will become multiply. So x is equals to 9 by 20 into 6. So this is 3 2s are 6, sorry 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 0. So here the value we will get as 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27 by 10. So what is the value of x? X is nothing but 27 by 10. Okay. So the second question here, you can see the second question here next. That is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equals to 21. We have to solve here for n value. We have to find the value of n. So here you can see 3 terms are given with similar n pattern. Okay, so what we have to do is we will multiply first this 2 terms. Okay, so we will multiply this 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8 we are getting, and we will cross multiply here. So this is 4 into n, 4n minus 2 3s are 6n plus, okay, plus 5n by 6 is equals to 21. Let us keep it as it is. So here we are getting the answer as minus 2n by 8 plus 5n by 6. So you can see 4n minus 6n is nothing but minus 2n by 8, this 8 plus 5n by 6, which is equals to 21. Okay. Now you can see here we can cancel here 2 1s and 2 4s. So we will get the answer as minus n by 4 plus 5n divided by 6 is equals to 21. Now what we will do, we will multiply this 2 terms. So we are getting 6 4s are 24 and again we will cross multiply. So 6 into minus n is minus 6n plus 4 5s are 20n, which is equals to 21. So when we subtract here 20 minus 6, we are going to get 14n by 24, which is equals to 21. So what we will do here, we will bring this 24 to this side. So it will become 14n is equals to 21 into 24. Okay, now let us remove this 14 to this side. So we will get n is equals to 21 into 24 divided by 14. So we will get 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here we are going to get 3 into 12, 12 3s are 36. So the value of n is nothing but 36. Okay, so moving to the third question, that is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So what we will do is we will make this term to move this side. Okay. So solution, let this x plus 7 be as it is. So what we will do is 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2, and when we move this to this side it will become plus 8x by 3. X plus 7 is equals to 17 by 6. Okay. So here minus will be as it is. Let us keep this minus as it is. So here it will become 2 3s are 6, and let us cross multiply. 5 3s are 15x plus 8 2s are 16x. Okay. So here we will get x plus 7 is equals to 17 by 6. Minus will be as it is. So 15 plus 16, that is 31x by 6. Okay. Now what we have to do here is we will bring this term to this side and this term to this side. So let us keep x as it is, and we will bring this minus 31 to this side. Minus will become plus 31x by 6, which is equals to 17 by 6, and this will become minus 7. Okay. Now let us cross multiply here. It will become 6x plus 31x by 6, which is equals to 17 by 17 minus, so this 6 will multiply here. 6 7s are 42 divided by 6. Now you can see both side we are having in the denominator 6 and 6. So let us cut this, cancel this. We are left with 6x plus 31x is equals to 17 minus 42. So here we will get 6x plus 31x is nothing but 35x, which is equals to, when we subtract this values, we are going to get, that is 25. So the value of x is nothing but 25 divided by 35. So we can cancel this, 5 5s are and 5 7s are. So the answer will be 5 by 7. Okay. Okay. Next, fourth question. You can see the fourth question. X minus 5 by 3 is equals to x minus 3 by 5. So we cannot bring from here to this side. Even we cannot bring the terms from this side to this side. So what we have to do here is we are having the denominator. So let us cross multiply this. Okay. So we will get, after cross multiplying, we will get 5 into x minus 5, which is equals to 3 into x minus 3. Okay. So let us remove the brackets here. 5 into x will get 5x minus 5 5s are 25, which is equals to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Okay. So 5x minus 3x. So we will bring this 3x to this side. So that will become 5x minus 3x, which is equals to minus 9. Let it be here, and we will bring this 25 to this side. It will become plus 25. So here we will get this as 2x, which is equals to 25 minus 9 is nothing but 16. So x is equals to 16 by 2. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So the value of x is nothing but 8. Okay, so the next question here is given as 3t minus 2 divided by 4 is equals to 2t plus 3 by 3, which is equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, so what we have to do here is, first let us cross multiply these terms. Okay, so what we are getting, 3 multiplied by 3t minus 2. Okay, minus, okay, then we have to multiply this 4 to this term. So it will become 4 of 2t plus 3, okay, which is equals to, then this 2 we will write as it is, okay, then 3 into t. So it will become minus 3t divided by this 3, and here we will get it is divided by the multiplication of 4 into 3, that is 4 3s are 12. So here we are getting it as 12. Now what we have to do is, we should multiply this 12 to this side. We have to bring this 12 to this side. Okay, so it will become 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3, which is equals to, this 12 will be After bringing this 12 to this side, it will become multiplication. So we will get 2 minus 3t divided by 3 will be like this only. So here we can cancel this. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now here we will get 3 threes are 9. So 9t minus 3 twos are 6 minus 4 into 2t, that will become 8t, and minus 4 into 3 minus 4 threes are 12, which is equals to, here we are left with 4 now, 4 twos are 8 minus 4 threes are 12 by t. So this 3 is cancelled here, so it is not divided by anything. Okay, so now you can see 9t minus 8t is nothing but 1t, directly we can write, and minus 6 minus 12 is nothing but minus 18, which is equals to 8 minus 12t will be as it is. Then what we have to do is, we will bring this 18 to this side and we will bring this minus 12t to this side. So it will become t plus 12t, as it is minus here. When we bring to this side, it will become plus 12t, which is equals to 8 will be as it is, and this minus 18 we are going to bring it to the right side. So it will become plus 18. Okay, so t plus 12t, it will become 13t, as here this is nothing but 1t. 1t plus 12t is nothing but 13t, which is equals to 18 plus 8 is nothing but 26. So therefore we can write t is equals to 26 by 13. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So we are getting t is equals to 2. Okay, moving to the next question here. You can see the next question here. This is a bit complicated question. So here they have given m minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So this m is nothing but, it is like this m is like this minus this whole term, which is equals to this 1 is like this minus m minus 2 by 3. So this is written like in this format in your textbook. Okay, so what we have to do here is, we have to multiply this 2 to this number first. So here we are getting 2m minus m. So minus into minus is nothing but plus 1 divided by, okay, so it will become 2 into m is nothing but 2m minus m, and minus into minus, it is nothing but minus into minus plus 1 divided by, this is divided by 2, which is equals to, again we have to multiply here 3 by this one. So 3 ones are 3 minus m will be as it is, and this minus into minus will become plus 2 divided by this 3. Okay, now what we have to do here is cross multiply the two terms. So here we will get 3 into 2m minus m plus 1, as this 3 is multiplied here and this whole term will be as it is, which is equals to, now this term we have to multiply to the right side. So it will become 2 into 3 minus m plus 2. Okay, so next what we can write is 3 into 2m, that will become 6m minus 3m plus 3. Okay, see, 3 into 2 is 6m minus this minus, and 3 into m is 3m, and plus 3 ones are 3. So which is equals to 2 into 3 is 6 minus 2m plus this is 4. Okay, next 6m minus 3m is 3m plus 3, which is equals to 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2m. So let us interchange the terms. So here we will get 3m minus 2m, when we bring to this side it will become plus 2m, which is equals to 10 will be as it is, this 3 when it comes to this side it will become minus 3. So here it will become 5m, which is equals to 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. Therefore, we can write m is equals to 7, and when we bring this 5 to this side, it will become divided by 5. Okay. So moving to the second part, simplify and solve the following linear equation is given. And the seventh one question here is 3 into t minus 3, which is equals to 5 into 2t plus 1. What we have to do is we have to solve and simplify this equations. Okay. So what we have to do here is, first we have to remove the brackets here. So to remove the bracket, what we have to do, we have to multiply this 3 to this t. Okay, so it will become 3t minus 3 3s are 9, which is equals to 5 into 2t. It will become 5 2s are 10t plus 5 1s are 5. Okay, so this is 3t. Okay, when we next what we have to do here is we have to interchange the numbers. So it will become 3t minus 10t, which is equals to 5, and we have to bring this minus 9 to this side. It will become plus 9. So 3t minus 10t is nothing but minus 7t, which is equals to 5 plus 9 is nothing but 14. So t is equals to, so we will keep this minus as it is here. So it will become 14 divided by 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So we got minus t is equals to 2. So let us bring this minus to this side, when it will become t is equals to minus 2. Okay. So moving to the next one, that is 8th one. 5 into y minus 4 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equals to 0. So what we have to do here is we have to open the brackets first. So it will become 15y minus 15 4s we are having 60 minus 2 into y is 2y, and minus into minus is nothing but plus. 2 9s are 18 plus 5 into y is 5y plus 5 6 it is nothing but 30, which is equals to 0. Now just see here, 15y, 2y and 5y. What we have to do? We have to add all this. So 15y plus 5y is nothing but 20y. 20y minus 2y is nothing but 18y. Okay. Next, you can see here 60, 30 and 18 is given. So again we have to add this following. So we will get minus 60 plus 30, we will get minus 30 because the greater number is having minus sign. So what we have to do, one minus sign and one plus sign is there. What we have to do is we have to keep the greater number sign and always we have to subtract. So 60 minus 30 is nothing but 30 plus this 18 is left. Let us write like this only, which is equals to 0. Next, in the next step we will write 18y minus 30 plus 18 is nothing but minus 12. Okay, so again we are having here minus sign and one plus sign. So what we have to do, we have to keep the greater number sign, that is minus, and always we have to subtract. That is 30 minus 18 is nothing but 12, which is equals to 0. So next 18y, now we will move this 12 to the right side, we will get which is equals to 12. So when it is moved from left to right side, here the minus sign have become the plus sign. Next, y is equals to 12 divided by 18. Okay, so here we can write 2 6 are 12 and 2 9s are 18. Similarly, we can cancel this again, that is 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So we can write our y is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. So the next question is 9th one, that is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11, which is equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 is equal minus 17. Okay. So let us solve this. So here also first we have to open the brackets, that is 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, z minus 3 7s are 21, minus 2 9s are 18z, minus into minus will get plus 2 11s are 22. Okay, which is equals to 4 into 8, 4 8s are 32, z minus 4 into 13, we are getting 52 minus 17. Okay, next here only we'll get the two terms, that is 15z and minus 18z. So we will get here minus 3z. Okay, 22 plus 22 minus 21. So we will get plus 1. Since why we are getting plus 1 here? Because you can see here the greater number is having plus sign and this is having the negative sign. When the two terms are when one term is negative and the other term is positive, what we have to do? We have to check the greater number. What is the greater number here? It is 22. So we have to put the greater number sign and always we have to subtract. Okay, which is equals to 32z we will keep as it is. Then here we will get, you can see here both the signs are negative. So if both the signs are same, we have to keep the same sign and always we have to add this. So 52 and 17, when we add we are going to get 69. Next we have to interchange the numbers. So this will become minus 3z minus 32z. Since we are bringing this 32 to this side, so it will become from plus sign to it will become minus, which is equals to minus 69 and minus 1. So we are bringing this 1 to this side. Okay, next here we are getting minus 3z minus 32z, that is minus 35z, which is equals to minus 70. Okay, so you can see here this minus and this minus will be cancelled. What is left with us? 35z is equals to 70 is left. Next, z is equals to 70 divided by 35. So 35 ones are and 35 twos are. So we are having z is equals to 2. So the next question, which is the last question of this exercise, you can see here 0.25 into 4f minus 3, which is equals to 0.05 into 4f minus 9 is given. So you can see when you multiply 0.25 into 4, you are getting nothing but 1f minus 0.25 when it is multiplied by 3 times, you are getting nothing but 0.75. which is equals to 0.05 when it is multiplied by 10, you are getting 0.5 f minus when 0.05 is multiplied by 9, you are getting 0.45. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to interchange the numbers here, that is 1f minus 0.5f, which is equals to minus 0.45 will be as it is, and we have to bring this to this side. It will become plus 0.75. Okay, so 1 minus 0.5, 1 minus 0.5 is nothing but half. 1 minus half is nothing but again half. Okay, 0.5f, which is equals to 0.75 minus 0.45. You can see here 0.75 minus 0.45. We are getting this as 0. 7 minus 4 is nothing but 3. Point will be as it is and the 0. So here we are getting nothing but 0.30. Okay. Next, f is equals to 0.30 divided by 0.5. So we can see here 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are we are having 30. This 0 point will be as it is. So we will get the value of f is equals to 0.6. So let me show you once here how this 0.25 is into 4 is nothing but 1. So we'll do it here by the side. So you can see here 0.25 when it is multiplied by 4, we are getting 4 5s are 20, 0 and 2. 4 2s are 8, plus 2 is 10, 0 and we are getting 1. 4 zeros are 0, 1 will be as it is. So here we are getting 1.00. It is nothing but 1. Similarly, 0.25 when it is multiplied by 3, you can see here 0.25 as it is multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 and 1 will be carried. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 and 3 zeros are 0. So we are going to get 0.75. You can see here. Next, 0.05 when it is multiplied by 10. Okay. So you can see 10 5s are 50, 0 and 5 you will keep as it is. 10 zeros are 0 plus 5 is 5 and 10 zeros are 0. So you got the value as 0.5f. Okay. Minus, again one more term is there, that is 0.05 when it is multiplied by 9. So you'll get 9 5s are 45, 5 and 4 is carried. 9 zeros are 0, 4 will be as it is and the 0 will be as it is. So you got 0.45. Okay. I hope you're done with this exercise. You have understood all the parts here. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment me down below and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.